Yours truly, Kevin Grace. I'm here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, if you've been following me, you've seen the vlog that I did when the Tropicana was about to get knocked down, and as it was getting knocked down, now you're about to see the construction that is happening for the new 33,000 seat baseball stadium for the Athletics. It'll be open in 2028, so things are coming along from what I can see, and you can see in the background across the street is New York Hotel. Right there in the background you got that, and you can see it's coming into shape. Of course, this is where the Tropicana Hotel was, and I stayed at the Tropicana a few months before they closed up, so I have all that video. Hopefully you saw that vlog as well. And of course, this is the old Hooters Hotel over here, which is called the Oyo, but they do have a Hooters restaurant at the bottom, so it's coming along. So like I said, it'll be 33,000 seats, and it'll have a retractable roof. It'll look like the mock-ups I've seen reminded me of the Opera House in Sydney, Australia, in the harbor. But I will keep tabs of what the construction will look like from now and until that time. So stay tuned.